食べます。うんうんうん
Is it custard?
えい
Angko! This one is custard.
おいカスター
It's angko.
あんこ全然
David wants custard. Custard fish. May I see? May I see? Sige, you eat bigger so that we can see inside. Oh, is it custard? Yeah, it's custard.
banana.
Custard. It's not banana. Is it yummy? Yeah?
Yes,
Okay, that's good. Are you gonna eat everything?
yes.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah. Mommy will eat this one. It's angko and I ordered it because I like this one. I like matcha actually, but they don't have matcha. As of the moment lang.
バナナチョコ
So
もある
let's
じゃん。
eat.
ね、バナナチョコだよ。
It's not. It's angko. David custard.
でもさ、ここさ、ここ
It's
さ、
angko. I ate
バナ
already.
ナがある。
It's yummy.
バナナ
It's
が
a
ある
fish shape. And it's called taiyaki in
マス
Japanese.
カじゃないよ。あんこだ。
Taiyaki.
バ
Let's eat
ナナ
taiyaki.
だよ、バナナ。だって白いもん。マミ白いよ。
Yeah. We just bought there.
Yes, I'm ready.